is Chinese.
Huawei. Yeah.
My phone is Huawei though.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
like iPhone. I don't like iPhone.
No, I don't like Apple. I don't like Apple.
Rubbish.
I don't like Apple. You have Apple?
All have Apple. Only
They all have
except me.
Apple?
I like Apple.
This laptop, I got it maybe 5 years ago. 279.
279 euro.
Mm-hmm.
It's second hand.
New. From Tesco.
That's
cool.
5 years ago. Still working.
Good.
Mm.
I
It's
have some laptops.
Strong little laptop. Okay. So why did you need to get a new laptop?
Me, cause I didn't take my own laptop in here.
Oh.
I usually use my auntie's one, but it's
Oh, I
too slow.
see. I see, I got you, okay. Now, the chain rule is for problems like this. So, for example, sine x squared, e cos x, log sine x. You see, in these examples, you have two parts. You have an inside part, which is like what I call the g, and then you have an outside part, which is like the f, the sine, the e, and the log here. Yeah, you get the, can you see? So, for example, the rule is, well, I'll show you an example. So, suppose, here's our first example, example 1. Let's say I have y equals log sine x. What you do, you say let u equal sine x. Okay? Then what does du dx equal? What's the derivative? Cos x. Okay? Yeah? Now, if you go back here, y equals log u, because we said u equals sine x. So what does dy du equal? 1 over u. Yeah? Now, here comes the answer. So you can say dy dx equals dy du du dx, because they cancel. Dy du is 1 over u. Du dx is cos x. That's cos x over u, and u is sine x. So that's the answer. I'll do another example. If you want to write this down, it's the first example. What?
Unable.
Be strong. Be strong. You got that, Ben?
Yeah.
Have you seen this before?
No.
No. But you saw the product rule before,
Oh yeah.
and the quotient rule,
Yeah.
but not this rule. Okay.
How about me?
Have you seen this before?
I forgot. I forgot also.
Gav?
Yeah.
You think you've seen it before?
Yeah. So all the things we learned in high school.
I lived in my high school for 4 years.
You what?
I'm 21 years ago.
Ah, 4 years isn't long.
Yeah. So too many things I have forgot.
Okay. Let's try y equals e cos x. Okay, so you can tell me, guys. I say let u equal what?
Cosine x.
Cos x. So, du dx, what would that be?
Minus sine x.
Minus sine x. Yeah? Also, y
Y.
equals EU.
EU.
So what? Yeah, EU, yeah. What does dy du equal?
U.
No. EU.
EU. It's not EU.
What? EU. What? What are you asking me?
It's not this.
Show me?
This one.
No.
Mm.
So, dy dx equals dy du dx, which equals EU times minus sine x. So the answer is minus EU
U x cosine x.
Cosine x.
Oh, thank you. Now,
Is there any older like E first or sine x first?
now I want to show you the quick way to do this. The quick way. You got this, Khalifa? Yeah. So watch carefully. Here's the quick way to do it. What was my first example? Y equals
Log sine x.
log sine x.
We'll call this log.
Log.
Log e.
So how to
Yeah, it's
call the
log,
L and
log.
Log.
Huh?
Log.
Log e.
You call this log?
Yeah, you can call this log because its full name is this.
And for
It's not log 10. It's log. Which
They're the
one?
same. They're the same.
They're the
So
same.
look, this is the rule, Go. If you're in maths class and your teacher says log, then they mean this. If you're in computer class and your teacher says log, in a computer class your teacher means this.
what? True.
And if you're in chemistry class
But
and your
use
teacher
these
says
as-
log, yeah, your teacher means this in chemistry.
So that's log? Ln? Which one is Ln?
LG.
The first one.
10 is LG.
I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe.
I thought so.
So
No,
in
no, no,
computer
no, no.
class, just,
Wait, no, listen.
one,
No,
two,
no,
one,
no, no,
two,
listen.
one, two.
Listen. What I'm saying is, if I say log and I'm in maths class, I mean this.
Okay.
If I say log and I'm in computer class, I mean this. And if I say log and I'm in chemistry class, I mean this. Okay, but on your calculator, this button means that. And this button
Just means
means
that.
this.
Right.
It's okay? No, you confused me. I was going to show you the quick way. So the quick way is you need to say which is the inside and which is the outside. This is the inside and this is the outside. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Are you listening?
Yeah,
Carefully?
yeah.
Good. So the rule is you differentiate the outside first. So what is the derivative of log x? 1 over x. So log sine x is 1 over sine x. And then you multiply by the inside derivative. What's the derivative of sine?
Sine.
Cos. And that's the answer. And that's the same answer. Right, what was the second question we did? It was e
Cosine x.
cos x. Right, Summer,
Yeah.
what is the inside?
minus sine.
No, which part is the inside?
Cosine.
Okay. And Ben, which is the outside?
EX.
EX. Okay, so y derivative equals, what derivative do I have first? Inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. So what's the derivative of the outside here?
Yes.
The outside is e. E cos x times derivative of the inside.
Minus
Minus
sine. Oh, okay. There's like multiplying each other.
It's like multiplying, yeah. This is the quick way to do it. That's fine for the exam. It's fine. Okay. Let me give you one to try. Try this one. You can use the quick way if you like. Sine log x. Got it? What do you think it is, Ben?
Cosine log x.
Yeah.
And over x.
Very good. Very good. Well done, Dan.
Where's
I forgot. And turn the line x.
Oh, this is this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay, next question. Get me this.
What?
Be strong. No go. No product rule.
What?
No product.
Oh, there's multiple. But it is.
The top?
No, they are multiplied, bro. Are they?
Oh! Okay. Yeah, you wrote it like this.
Oh,
Fine.
I
So you can use, you can use either.
I can use this as well. The-
Yeah.
Oh,
But I think I'll use the quotient rule.
How use the quotient?
Huh?
How use the quotient?
It's a fraction. Watch. Are you watching? So, the bottom squared. The bottom times derivative of the top. What's the derivative of the outside here?
minus sine.
Minus sine. Log x. And the inside?
1 over x.
1 over x, which is nice because that
It
cancels that. Minus the top times derivative of the bottom, which is 1. So the answer is minus bracket sine log x plus cos log x over x squared. Yeah? Okay, I'll give you one more. There you go. Look at you, sleepy.
product rule.
Be strong, Summer. Be strong.
Okay.
Try. You got it?
No.
You have an answer?
No.
Go?
I think so. I didn't simplify. I
Fine.
didn't do anything.
Right, so it's the bottom squared. The bottom times root of the top, which will be 1 e sine x plus x e sine x cos x minus the top x e sine x times the roots of the bottom minus sine x. And we'll just leave it. Yeah.
Cos 1e sine x plus x
Yeah.
e sine x.
Cos x, yeah.
Can we, instead of putting the sine x and cos x, then close bracket, then can we put x e cos x, then close the bracket? Or we must include sine x cos x?
Yeah, you can put this. You can put this. The e sine x on the outside if you like. So if you want, you could write it like this.
Cos x.
Yeah, cos. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, cos x. I'll just put the e first. E sine x cos x or cos x e sine x. It's fine. 1 plus x cos x plus x e sine x over cos squared x. Yeah. Too easy for you, Summer?
No.
Too hard?
No.
Let me have a look at your book there, Ben, please. How are we doing? Good. Let's see. I'll pick some good ones for you. Oh, no, there's one more simple example I want to do. Can you try this one? A short one. Y equals root 1 plus 2x. Okay, so look, what's the outside function here?
1 plus
Power half. No, that's the inside. Power half. So you differentiate the outside. So look, that's a half power minus a half. Yeah? Times 2. Yeah, so it's, the answer is 1 over root 1 plus 2x.
Was where the minus half comes from.
Okay. Bring down the power, reduce the power by 1.
Oh,
Okay. Let me tell you which ones to do. Number 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh.
Ah, they're easy. H. Okay. And number 2. H. Q. And number 3. You got those? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I gave you 9 last time. I give you 11 this time. Make it balanced. What's wrong, Gav? No, there's only 10 minutes left. You try these for 10 minutes, then we go home.